asking now this now if what I put in my bag. So can I put my lip gloss in my bag? Yeah. Front pouch. Yep. Okay, I'm doing a new style. I always put it in the first. Can I put my bracelets in? Yep. Front pouch or big pouch? Front pouch. Okay, so I'm trying a new style today. Can I put my lollipop? Front beer for the big purse, the big one. Last one. Can I put my 10 rand in? No. Can I put my sticky notes in? The boss, can I put my sticky notes in? Big pouch or small big pouch? Sure. Okay, so then I need big pouch. Can I put my sticky notebook? No. Okay, so I'm not gonna be getting this around. So can I put my 10 rand in? I'm not getting you either. But like, can I please put the same, please? Is that my nagging? Is that me being cute? Can I put it in front pouch, please, my hussy? No. So must I put it in the back pouch? Can I put this now? Can I put it in the front pouch? Can I put it in the back pouch? Can I put my two hussies in? Can I put them in the front pouch? Can I put it in the back pouch? Now must I put it in the bin? No. What do you say? I must put it in my front pouch. Oblis. Can I put it in my back one? Oblis. Can I put it in my back one? Can I put it in my front one?